CreativePixel AI has just been released, and today I'm diving into the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this cutting-edge AI software. Whether you're a digital marketer or just starting with AI tools, by the end of this review, you'll have a solid understanding of what CreativePixel AI can offer and if it's worth your time. Stick around because I'll also share why this software might be a game changer for your marketing strategy. First off, let's talk about what CreativePixel AI actually does. This software is designed to streamline your content creation process by leveraging AI to generate high-quality graphics, designs, and videos. It's targeted at marketers and creators who need to produce engaging content quickly, but don't have the time or resources to spend hours on design. In just a few clicks, CreativePixel can help you create stunning visuals that would typically take a professional designer days to craft. If you're someone who's been looking for ways to create better content faster, this could be the tool you've been waiting for. One of the standout features of CreativePixel AI is its intuitive interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, even if you don't have any experience with graphic design. The software uses AI to automatically adjust images and layouts based on your preferences, ensuring that the designs are always aligned with your vision. No more complicated tutorials or guesswork. Everything is designed to be simple, so you can focus more on your content strategy and less on learning a new tool. Another thing worth noting is the software's advanced image and video editing capabilities. CreativePixel AI doesn't just help you generate new content, it also makes it incredibly easy to fine-tune and customize your existing media. Whether it's adjusting brightness, cropping, or adding effects, you can do it all without needing any prior expertise. This is ideal for digital marketers looking to optimize their media for social media, websites, or even ads. Now, you might be wondering about the AI itself. How smart is it? Well, CreativePixel AI is powered by some of the latest machine learning models, making it one of the most accurate AI content creation tools on the market today. Its algorithms analyze your input, whether that's text or an image, and provide recommendations or even generate the content for you. This means you can expect a personalized experience that adapts to your style over time, making each new project faster and more efficient. If you're someone who runs a business or works in digital marketing, you'll appreciate the scalability of CreativePixel AI. It's perfect for creating batch content, whether it's for social media, email campaigns, or product launches. No need to hire a graphic designer for every little task. This software can take care of much of the heavy lifting, leaving you with more time to focus on strategy and growth. But let's talk about what really sets CreativePixel AI apart. Its speed. I've tried countless AI software tools and many of them are slow or clunky. Not CreativePixel. Whether you're generating designs or editing videos, the response time is fast and seamless. This efficiency is a big deal for marketers and business owners who need to churn out content quickly in today's fast-paced digital world. Lastly, CreativePixel AI is incredibly affordable, especially for what it offers. If you've used other design tools, you'll know that the pricing for professional-grade software can be astronomical. But CreativePixel offers competitive pricing that makes it accessible to everyone, from solo entrepreneurs to large businesses. If you're still unsure, you can try CreativePixel AI completely free through the first link in the description below. It's a no-brainer to check it out and see how it can elevate your marketing game. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've learned that not all software lives up to the hype. But CreativePixel AI? It's a tool I highly recommend, especially if you're looking for something that's both powerful and easy to use. Be sure to check out the links in the description for my personal recommendations on the best AI tools available today.